Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Now today I'm going to show you this really cute, super simple little gift pouch that you can make. You're not going to believe how easy this is. It holds 2 bags of tea, and then you can put in the middle part a little pouch of cookies. And there's even a ribbon at the top that you could use to hang it. So this makes such a cute gift for a teacher thank you, or a hostess gift, or a stocking stuffer, or just kind of anybody that you're thinking of at this time of year if you want to make them a little something special. And it's so easy. This is a perfect little gift. So let me show you how it's done. So all you need to make that pouch is 1 piece of 6x6 designer series paper. So I'm using the beautiful wrapped in plaid designer series paper. Look at all that beautiful gold foil in there. I love it. It's got these gorgeous plaid designs on one side, and then on the other side all these really fun Christmassy images. So all you need to do is get 1 sheet of that. Don't even need to cut it. Start by folding it in half diagonally. Use your bone folder to get a nice crisp fold. And then you're going to need some kind of scoring tool. I'm going to use my new trimmer. I hope you can see this. It's kind of hard to have the trimmer and the tripod on the desk at the same time, but I'll try and talk you through what I'm doing. So parallel to that same, that original fold that we've made, I'm going to line it up in my trimmer at 1/2 inch, and I'm going to score along that line. And now, because I've only scored on this 1/2 of the diamond, so I'm going to flip it over and score on the other side as well. Again at 1/2 inch. Okay, and then, so you see I rotated it because now I'm going to put some score lines that are perpendicular to that original score line. And I'm going to line this up at 2 3/4 inches and score and flip it around. Line up again at 2.75 inches, and that's it. That's all the scoring that we need to do. So if I hold it with the point facing up away from me, I've got a score line here and 2 score lines here, 2 vertical score lines. So the first thing I'm going to do is open it back up, and then I'm going to fold along those vertical score lines. Okay, and now I have these 3 score lines going horizontally. And I'm going to fold them so they kind of make this W shape in the center from the side view. Can you see that little W? That's it. That's literally it. If I didn't want to decorate this, I wouldn't even need to use any adhesive. There's no cutting, no adhesive. It's so stinking simple, just like I told you, right? But I am going to decorate it a little bit, so I will need some adhesive as well as some ink and stamps. Before I do that though, I'm going to use my hole punch, punch a hole right up here at the top, and thread some ribbon through there. And now I can add my goodies. There we go. So to do a little bit of decorating on this, I'm going to use the Perfectly Plaid stamp set. I'm going to use the Plaid Christmas tree from that set. And I'm going to use a stamp from Itty Bitty Christmas, which is an amazing stamp set, packed full, as you can see, of pretty much every Christmas sentiment that you might think of. And I'm going to be using this little one that says Christmas Cheer. I've already punched out a 2 1/4 inch circle of cherry cobbler. So now I'm going to stamp my tree. With shaded spruce ink. And I'm going to stamp my sentiment with cherry cobbler ink. And I'm putting that sentiment on Crumb Cake. And I'm going to punch that one out with the, I think this is called the classic label punch. And I'll punch my tree out with the pine tree punch. Then I'm going to put these 3 pieces together to make a little decoration for my gift. And I'm going to pop that right on there. So there we go. Can you believe how easy that was? I told you. Thank you so much for watching today, and I really appreciate it. And if you want to drop me a comment and let me know what you think, let me know if you think you might try this project. Let me know if you have any suggestions for something that you'd like to learn about. I love hearing what you think. And remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, which is inkyfingers.ca, and you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, the local workshop schedule, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. If you happen to be watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page under Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly card sketch challenge and win a prize from me. Now, if you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code is going to get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me, and we can start planning an online or in-home party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'. Bye.